I just received this package from Joules. I believe it's for little Boaty here. Hello, Boat. Hello. Joules, pleased to meet you. Open it up. What's that? What's this, Boat? What's this? I think it's a bed. What's it say? Let sleeping dogs lie dog bed. Medium. Oh, it's got a lovely new present. Watch you don't cut the bed. That's nice, it's come vacuum packed. Highly compressed. You're going to have to leave that for at least overnight. When you get new mattresses, like the rolled up ones from a certain Swedish chain, and it says leave to sit for 24 hours before you use it. So you bought this one because it said it was waterproof, right? So it should be, it's like waterproof wipe dry material. It's not like it's fleecy or furry. Feels, it's a thick material, hard wearing, and as always it's got that sort of Joules print on it, so a bit of funny. I don't know how this umbrella is on his tail. How's he holding up the umbrella with his tail? Does it have a Frenchie on it? Bo, are you on this? There's a chihuahua. Are you scratching it? Okay, what else is there? You already taken it out. Well, there's your new bed. There's your new bed. Yes. It's a new bed. Well, bed. Yes, yes, good boy. And this is Town and Country jacket, quilted jacket by Joules. Got the bunny logo, got the Joules logo, flip it around. Double buttons. Does it look a bit big for him so far? Yeah. Yeah, it's a bit big, so he'll grow into that. In the meantime, we can have a big bed. Why do you always go for the label? Why do you always go for the label? Ah! So that's obviously been compressed in transit. But that should fill itself out over time, just fluff it up like a pillow. It's got those grippy non-slip dots on the bottom, so it doesn't move around too much. Water resistant, reversible cushion, thickly padded, non-slip, machine washable. Don't chew. It says I'm not allowed to let you chew it. Eh, Bo? Eh? Oh. So we're going to let him sleep on it. Literally. Let you know how it goes. What are you doing? What are you doing? He's not too excited, is he? Oh, look, a bag! A bag! Yep. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Say bye, Boat. Boat, say bye.